Hey guys, this is Taylor of Occidental Leather, and today we're going to be showing you how to install our new hammer sleeve. Let's get to it. Alright, here are the necessary tools to get this install done. So you'll need a small smooth-faced hammer, a pair of side cutters or flush cutters, a 9/32 deep socket, a pick of some sort, a drill with a 3/16 bit, and you don't need an anvil, but just preferably a hard surface so that you can knock down the rivet. So the first thing we need to do for the install, we need to remove the two outer rivets on the top hanger of the bag. So what we'll do with that, and that's why this anvil comes in handy, you can set it up onto the ledge of something hard. You'll use that 3/16 bit and you'll take just the back of the rivet off. And usually it's pretty easy. They'll pop right out. What that pokey tool is for is just to push that out the other side so that you'll be able to pull out that rivet. So once you've completed the removal of these two outer rivets, we can get started on the install of the sleeve itself. You'll take the provided rivets, push those guys through the front so that they're coming through the back here. And then what you'll do is line up that stock hammer loop with the front short side of the hammer sleeve. So that's usually a good way to make sure you don't have it on backwards. You'll keep the hammer sleeve short one on the front here. And then this will give you a few different adjustment holes based on if you want a slightly different angle or if the bag's worn in and started to sag. For the newer bags, the center hole is going to be your safest bet. And then you'll place that onto your hard surface. You'll use the copper washers there in your 9/32 deep socket. So you'll put the socket right over there on top and then just set the rivet down snug. Then you're going to take your flush cutters or your side cutters. You're going to leave about an 1/8 inch on the rivet itself to peen down. And then you're going to use the flat surface of that flat-faced hammer and you're just going to peen down the end of that rivet. Make sure that the rivets are seated in there and that they're not going to come loose. And with that, you are all set. If you followed along with all those steps, you'll have a completed hammer sleeve install on the back. With that, you'll be able to run your hammer now along the back edge of the bag, like so, rather than that front hammer loop. If you have any questions or trouble with the install, reach out to us at service@occidentalleather.com. Thanks a lot for watching.